In this video, I'll show you how to get FAFSA money into your bank account. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, so to complete the FAFSA application and to be eligible for FAFSA funds, you first need to complete the free application for Federal Student Aid or FAFSA online. This application is used to determine your eligibility for federal financial aid programs, okay? And receiving your financial aid award letter, after you've submitted your FAFSA, your college or university's financial aid office will send you a financial aid award letter. And this letter details the types and amounts of aid you're eligible to receive. And after that, review the financial aid award letter and decide which types of aid you want to accept. Okay, so you can typically choose to accept grants, loans, or work study opportunities. Okay, moving along. You have to complete any additional requirements. Say some types of financial aid may have additional requirements, such as entrance counseling and signing a master promissory note for loans, and complete these requirements if necessary. And direct deposit information. So to have FAFSA funds deposited directly to your bank account, you will need to provide your bank account information to your school's financial aid office. So this is typically done through a process called electronic funds transfer, or EFT, or direct deposit authorization. Okay, moving forward, when receiving the refund, the refund, which includes any excess funds, will be sent to your bank account if you have set up direct deposit. It may take a few days for the funds to appear in your account. All right, so in the direct deposit information, to have FAFSA funds, all right, so monitor your account. So always keep a close eye on your bank account to ensure that the FAFSA funds have been deposited as expected. If you have any questions or concerns about the disbursement process, contact your school's financial aid office. All right, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.